Hello everyone, in this video, we'll walk you through how to install OpenClaw on Windows 11 and how to set up OpenClaw to run local model so that you can use OpenClaw completely free of charge. So let's get started. First, enable performance mode in your BIOS to unlock your machine full performance and set to VRAM allocation to 96 GB. A higher fixed VRAM allocation helps improve the stability of GPU-intensive workload and local inference. Set your Windows power mode to best performance and configure sleep settings to never to avoid unaccepted disconnects during runtime. Update your AMD graphics drive to version 26.2.2, then restart your computer to ensure optimal performance for GPU computing. OpenClaw strongly recommends Windows users to run it under WSL to get more consistent Linux runtime environment. Next, we'll install WSL and Ubuntu. Now we will install OpenClaw using official installation script, which is recommended method. After that, run the onboard command to launch and configure OpenClaw. We will skip the local model configuration for this step. At this point, the basic installation is complete. Now we'll move on to configuring local model. On Windows system, we recommend installing LM Studio for model management and downloads. Then start the local server. The server address is typically your local IP with port 1234 under the /v1 endpoint. Finally, connect OpenClaw to your local model server. If you encounter an error caused by modal context windows being too small, please modify the following setting in OpenClaw.json file. Set context windows to 256,000 and max token to 20,000, then restart the gateway. To wrap up, test whether the local conversation and the two call functions are working properly.